Hezbollah, a group from Lebanon, attacked northern Israel with a lot of rockets and drones on April 12, 2024. Although Israel's defense system stopped most of the rockets, some hit open areas and didn't cause any harm to people. After the attack, the US stock market went down because investors were worried about a big fight between Israel and Iran. But when they found out that Hezbollah was behind the attack, things calmed down a bit. The US and Iran both reacted quickly. The US said it supports Israel and warned Iran that there would be serious consequences if they attacked Israel. Iran denied being involved and said it doesn't want to fight with Israel. Israel is now thinking about using a powerful bomb called an EMP bomb against Iran. This bomb can make all electronic devices in an area useless, but they're worried about how it might affect regular people. Russia is also involved. They have soldiers in an area called the Golan Heights, and Israel asked them what they're doing there. Russia said they're just protecting their borders and don't want to fight Israel. There's also worrying news that Iran is getting ready to launch a big missile attack on Israel very soon. The US has moved its navy closer to Iran to try to stop them. With tensions rising, there's a real risk of a big war between Israel and Iran. The US and Russia are both part of the situation too, making things even more complicated. Everyone's watching closely to see what happens next.